So one of the things that we know as clinicians treating these patients every day is that that patient who's in my office with an anxiety disorder at age 10 is much more likely to develop a depressive disorder at age 12 or at age 13. And you see that represented here in terms of these two curves. So you see on the lower curve, the green curve, it's the likelihood of developing depression in patients who have anxiety disorders. Who do not have anxiety disorders. By contrast, in the orange curve, you see those patients who have an anxiety disorder and they're now at clearly increased risk for developing depressive disorders. The other thing that I take away from this slide is the yellow bar. And this is what helps me as a clinician. When, for example, I'm seeing that 12-year-old with anxiety, I know that I'm now in a critical window during which he or she or they have an increased risk of developing depressive disorders. We see the slope of that line change dramatically.